Could this one simple hack revolutionize your potential? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mewing, a technique that promises to enhance your facial structure, specifically your jawline. Originating from the orthodontic theories of Dr. John Mew, this practice has gained significant traction for its potential benefits. From improving your appearance to boosting your confidence, mewing might just be the game changer you've been looking for. So, are you ready to transform your potential? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this game-changing technique. So, what exactly is mewing? Well, let's dive right into it. Mewing is a technique that was developed by Dr. John Mew, a British orthodontist. It's all about the correct posture of the tongue and how it can enhance your facial aesthetics. You see, mewing is based on the principle that our bodies can adapt over time, and this includes our facial structure. When we consistently position our tongue in a certain way, it can gradually shape our facial features. Now you might be wondering, how does a simple tongue position make such a difference? Well, consider this. Your tongue is one of the strongest muscles in your body, and it's always at work. When it's in the right position, it can help maintain the correct alignment of your jaw, improve your breathing, and yes, even give you that sharp, chiseled jawline. Now that you know what mewing is, let's explore how it works. Ever wondered how a simple tongue posture can reshape your jawline? Well, wonder no more. You see, mewing is all about the position of your tongue. It's a technique that requires you to press your entire tongue, not just the tip, against the roof of your mouth. Fascinating, right? But here's the real kicker. This seemingly small action actually has a substantial impact on the shape of your face. The constant pressure applied by the tongue stimulates the mid-face, the jawline, and the upper neck muscles. Over time, this can encourage a more forward growth pattern, leading to a stronger, more defined jawline and improved facial symmetry. The science behind this is quite intriguing. It's all based on the principle of bone remodeling, a natural process where your bones are constantly being shaped and reshaped. This process is highly sensitive to pressure and forces. So, by consistently applying upward and forward force with your tongue, you're essentially guiding your facial bones to grow in a certain direction. In addition to this, mewing also promotes nasal breathing, which is generally healthier and more efficient than mouth breathing. It helps to maintain the correct head posture and alignment, which can have a myriad of health benefits. Interesting, isn't it? But how can you do it? Let's find out. Ready to learn how to mew? Let's dive right in. Engaging in this practice is not as daunting as it might seem. It's all about proper tongue placement, controlled breathing, and maintaining the right posture throughout the day. So, let's break it down. First up, tongue placement. The key is to press the entire tongue, not just the tip, against the roof of your mouth. Imagine that your tongue is like a suction cup, adhering to the palate. The back of your tongue should be pressing against the soft area at the back of your roof, while the tip of your tongue rests just behind your upper front teeth. Now, on to breathing. This is crucial. While your tongue is in its correct position, you should be able to breathe comfortably through your nose. If you're finding this difficult, it's possible your tongue isn't positioned correctly, or you might have a blocked nasal passage. If it's the latter, it's worth checking in with a healthcare professional. Next, let's talk about posture. Good mewing posture involves standing or sitting up straight, with your chin tucked in. This posture should be maintained throughout the day to maximize the benefits of mewing. Remember, mewing is not a quick fix. It's a habit to be cultivated over time. At first it may feel strange or even a bit uncomfortable, but with practice it will become second nature. Try to consciously mew throughout the day, especially during idle times, like when you're working at your desk or watching TV. And here's a pro tip. Use a mirror to check your technique. It can be helpful to visually confirm that your tongue is in the right place, your breathing is steady, and your posture is on point. Let's not forget, patience is paramount. Visible changes won't happen overnight. This is a gradual process that requires consistent effort. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the investment of your time and energy. Great job! Now remember, consistency is key. Avoid these common mistakes to maximize the benefits of mewing. Let's dive right in. One of the most common pitfalls is incorrect tongue placement. Many people place the tip of their tongue against their teeth, or let it float in the middle of their mouth. This won't do. To mew correctly, the entire tongue, from the tip to the base, should be pressing against the roof of the mouth. Anything less and you're not truly mewing. Another common error is inconsistent practice. Mewing isn't a once-and-done deal. It's a habit that needs to be maintained throughout the day, every day. If you're only mewing for an hour or two a day, you won't see the results you're hoping for. Remember, consistency is key. The third mistake often made is incorrect posture. You might be nailing the tongue placement, but if your body posture is off, it can hinder your progress. Good posture is crucial to mewing effectively. So keep that back straight, shoulders back, and chin slightly tucked in. Next, let's talk about the common mistake of using too much force. Some people think that the harder they push their tongue against the roof of their mouth, the faster they'll see results. But mewing is not about force. It's about gentle, consistent pressure. Overdoing it can lead to discomfort or even injury, so take it easy. Lastly, many people start mewing with unrealistic expectations. They expect to see dramatic changes in a matter of days or weeks. But remember, mewing is a slow process. It can take months, even years, to see significant changes. So don't get discouraged if you're not seeing immediate results. In summary, avoid these mistakes: incorrect tongue placement, inconsistent practice, poor posture, using too much force, and setting unrealistic expectations. Correcting these mistakes will put you on the right path to mewing successfully. Be mindful of these mistakes and you're well on your way to a stronger jawline. Keep up the good work and remember, patience and consistency will lead you to success. So, what can you gain from mewing? Well, the rewards are plenty and pretty impressive. For starters, mewing can help carve out a more defined and stronger jawline. Yes, you heard it right. This simple oral posture technique can actually reshape your jawline, giving you that chiseled look many crave. But that's not all. Mewing also promotes better breathing. By positioning your tongue on the roof of your mouth, you naturally open up your airways, allowing for deeper, more regular breaths. This can lead to increased oxygen intake, which has a multitude of health benefits, including increased energy and improved concentration. Now, let's talk about facial symmetry. We all know that a symmetrical face is often perceived as more attractive. Mewing can help improve facial symmetry by encouraging proper tongue posture and jaw alignment. Over time, this can lead to subtle changes in your facial structure, enhancing your natural beauty. So in essence, mewing is not just about aesthetics. It's about promoting better oral health, improving your breathing, and enhancing your overall well-being. It's a simple technique with far-reaching effects. And the best part? It doesn't require any special equipment or expensive treatments. All it takes is a bit of patience and consistency. Impressive, right? Now it's your turn to give it a try. Guess what? You're now equipped with a powerful tool for enhancing your facial aesthetics. Yes, that's right, mewing. An easy yet transformative technique that can help you achieve that stronger, more defined jawline you've always desired. And the best part? It's all natural and can be practiced anywhere, anytime. Let's have a quick recap. Mewing is a technique that involves proper tongue posture. It's about ensuring the entire surface of your tongue is pressed against the roof of your mouth. Remember, it's not just about the tip, but the whole tongue. And let's not forget the importance of keeping your teeth and lips gently closed. We've also discussed some common mistakes to avoid. Remember, incorrect tongue posture or excessive force can lead to discomfort or even counterproductive results. So pay attention to your technique and make sure you're mewing correctly. And the benefits? Oh, they're more than just aesthetic. Improved breathing, better speech, healthier sleep patterns, the list goes on. But remember, as with any technique, consistency is key. So keep at it, and over time, you'll start to see those amazing results. It's time to put this knowledge into action. Start your mewing journey today and witness the transformation it brings. Share your mewing journey in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more game-changing hacks. Until next time.